Okay, this week we are looking at similar to topics to last week, but we're working with proportions instead of means. Now this first question, we have 32%, which is our P, and then our 25% will be our P hat, our sample proportion. The 90 is our N. Now we're looking for less than 25%, which will be here, because we have 25% and our population being 32%. We're going to need our standard error for proportions, which is the square root of which gives us approximately 0.04917. We can use that to find our Z, which will be P hat minus P over our standard error. And now we can find the probability of P hat being less than 25, which is probability of Z being less than negative 1.42, which will be 1 minus the probability of Z being greater than negative 1.42, or 1 minus 0.9222 for an answer of 0.0778. The second question is a confidence interval question. So we've taken a sample of 250 people, and we know we have 164 that have a driver's license, so that allows us to find our P hat. Now we want the 80% confidence interval, so we know we have 40% on either side of the mean, which leaves 10% in each tail. We're going to have to reverse look up 0.9 or 90%, which gives us a Z of 1.28. We're going to need our standard error again. Now in this case we don't know the population proportion, so we use the sample proportion in its place, which we can do as long as we have a large enough sample. Giving us 0.03004, which now we can find a lower and an upper limit. 0.656 minus 1.28 times our standard error, giving 0.6175, and 0.656 plus the 1.28 times our standard error, giving our upper limit of 6945. So we can say between 61.75% and 69.45% of people have a driver's license.